Good morning. Monday morning.
Wednesday evening.
What? No, they confuse me. True. Now Monday, abi?
No, Wednesday.
Why they confuse me now?
What's wrong? Who they confuse you?
Why they confuse me?
I know they confuse you anything.
They confuse me.
And they confuse you.
Monday morning, no jere.
Wednesday afternoon, no jere. Una bye for.
Una welcome to PADI. No be your fault. Now the black where you bear. Only God know whether na burial you can't do for years. So.
My sister.
It's they worry you. Why you wear black full?
I just want on the black P. You know what I'm saying? You know, sometimes look for this country now. Anything they work now is hustle. I feel go join on the tickers now.
Now like when your clothes don't dirty, you know see clothes wear. You know say black the dirty part you don't go fit here.
They confess. They confess your own confess.
Come on there now wetin you do be that.
Confess your own confess.
Wear black full everywhere. Una welcome to PADI jare this beautiful Monday morning anywhere where you dey, and we still dey feel bad about the things wey dey happen for inside South Africa. Personally, I don't want personalize them because if I personalize them, I fit talk something people for trouble. So I go just generalize and say, you know good though. You know good though. And this one way, my own be say, I don't know what's in the South African government they do.
No, they don't talk. As at this morning, that particular guy, one of their one king like that, where they waste actually make some kind of statements. We can't cause all this big like this.
We talk to everybody go back there
to their country.
Yeah.
And don't they come out and say, okay, oh no, you know good oh. After how many days?
After how many days? After some people they don't vandalize, they don't destroy, they don't kill.
But well, anyway, most years go be. I believe say before this week finish, the whole thing go don't come down. I don't want to talk and pass like that because South Africa, before now, like one of my friends talk, before now white against black or racism issues. But now it comes in a black against black. He talk many things, but I know I just want to go into that one. I just want to do on the very, very low P this morning. Anyways,
for our people waiting there, if you know say you know to get too many investments and coming back no make any, go make any difference. Pack your load.
Please,
and come back.
Please.
You understand me now? Pack your load and come back. And our government self, you guys should have.
But for this country, I was supposed to do all those kind of mission impossible things. They just send like flights. You just see jets, they go SA.
Pack your people come out.
Joland, Nigerians, who?
Liberians now they pack their people. Kenyans they pack their people. Now waiting.
Now Nigerians supposed to do this.
Waiting.
Now to spend trillions for election.
Now somebody say carry 2 trillion. This one say no carry 2 trillion. All the money set. Now only God know whether I don't get leg waka.
Money. You know before they burn the money. Did some places now.
Like the waka these days. Money will just get leg, just get wings. I believe I can fly. Now what?
He says okay, it's all right, but we'll reach there. We'll do Mission Impossible things.
Anyway, we get visa now. Our visa go just.
We go just.
Go apply for another one. They will say, why didn't you use this South Africa? Uncle, you said go now.
Go there.
Go
and face the turmoil. Anyway, but we go for this break. We coming back and we'll continue for PADI things on top yarn and every. We, they comes back.
One guy, iru, forward march, left, right, right. One shake kick. Make una clap for him. Clap. Oh yeah. Also. Hey. Hey, you okay? Hey, I say, kicking, I say, hey, say go ya. Hey, on a choco.
I said, I know sense in my head.
Do ball, me like this. Bad. What do you call it? Shake this.
That my guy be that too.
Do ball.
That my guy be that. They do anyhow for there now.
You know see why they call it shake?
Left,
if I do left, right. It's time for your hand though. Because they do left, right. They call it shake. Yeah, they do. If presenting no work. If acting no work.
My brother.
If you go do stripper.
My brother, one must work. You go get your type, nothing.
They do with your whole pool. It's like this. Woo! Just turn around for the ladies then. Check it. But they can't get one commentator for them.
Left.
Actually, now be Martins. Okay. Yarn things. We get story for ground. Quickly. Let's see the yarn plaque.
Placard. Okay, so for on top Yan the Yan this morning, we get this particular gist. Very disturbing, I must say, but well, we go just talk the gist anyhow, because things they happen. So now wait to say things no day. Things are happening. Spiritual things that you cannot explain.
Aye.
So anything you serve, if you serve God, hold your God. Hold your God. I will tell you something. 19-year-old person, what they call Kinde Adegoke, the teenager and indigenous of Ogbonge for inside Oyo State. Funny enough, now there I come from.
Now you're good now.
Ogbonge from
I want me to talk the gist first.
Oyo State, Belawa.
Talk the gist, then I'll talk the Oyo part.
Her parents, they stay for inside Mina, Niger State, now for Mina High School.
You see your life? No. Continue.
Now, this particular girl, she talks, say she did get a sexual intercourse with snake for inside dream. I go explain this one, give you. I will need to read this one out now. Kinde born baby boy for March 28, 2015. The baby come out with some kind long teeth from the down, come front like this, from down, come front, long big teeth like this. Oh. And then, in fact, that the baby says, see him, now so the baby take come out. He even died self on the 29th. Without any sickness. The baby then born on 28, 29, only and just die by himself. Now, Kinde contact say for 4 years, say she don't deal with one strange spirit wey go come make love to her in form of snake for inside dream for 4 years. She said the snake go turn to Fulani man, he go panachuku am, and after that one, he go turn to snake, go back. Now, she say she don't live for Niger State for October 2014 before she come Ogbonge. So at that time, she say she don't get the Beleive. However, full of joy, she said she received deliverance from demonic possessions through prayers. Say now one pastor now in deliver am for inside that place. Narrating her story, she talks say her parents they live for Niger, but as she there for Ogbonge Oyo State, she there this unseen spirit every time. Now say go they come the Panachukwa. Say but now say she dey thankful say everything don't happen. Say she even dey grateful say the pikin no survive because how she want to explain. Say and she be virgin. Now the funny part be that she be virgin. So how she want to explain this kind thing? You understand me now?
So she have done a married thing again. You understand? This one, this one a spiritual conception.
Make I even explain how the miracle take happen.
She
say for March 27, 9 o'clock for inside morning, she start begin to feel stomach pain. Say nothing they move inside her, but the pain when she can say maybe na stomach pain, can't take drugs. The drugs can't subside. But by evening, say by the time when she begin vomit, say she vomits some kind of things where they very smelly, like they say the smell full everywhere. And that was when as she vomit and finish with the belly, with the pain, everything, and so she just faints.
Now from one water where the prophet will pray for him, give him a drink. Now from there the whole thing come dey. So finally, she is there all right. Now with this particular talk, so inside the dream, snakey are coming. She knows some people they face this thing, but then they talk anything. They face this thing, but then they talk anything.
Yes, plenty people.
Some people just dey. Some na goat. Some na dog. You also some people they misbehave for daytime. You don't know who don't see them for night. You understand? Like, but any which way.
You know the one way surprise me.
I take do example
she
just
say,
now.
Not try am. She say when them born the pikin, say the pikin been they change color.
I no go change color.
They change color.
Snake they get different. Some snake they get different color. Now maybe the guy they turn to the snake come meet am. Now the thing be that the guy they transform metamorphosize into snake and come.
Story. Move on to your.
No be you talk the story. Give us the whole gist plus even the deliverance.
Story. Move on to your own.
But any which way, any no weapon fashioned against me shall prosper, even if they are with me on this show. Now,
slap.
No, they knock me anyhow.
I'll slap.
What they worry yourself?
I'll slap you.
You slap me?
Yes.
For public TV?
Yes.
For public TV?
Yes.
For public TV?
Talk one.
Slap me.
Talk one.
Slap me.
Say tack.
Slap me.
Say tack.
Eh?
Say tack.
What's up with tack?
Just say tack now.
I talk just now.
Just say
I talk just now.
Open your mouth, say tack.
What do you mean?
That time when we small for Kaduna, if you person find your trouble, you can't draw line.
And I want draw line just now.
Say tack.
Wait.
That tack, I don't know, that tack, people like say that you dey dare the person. So say tack.
Tack. I say, you know I see old age. All these small girls, they do anyhow. Okay, now people they will get this issue of body. I know to talk this gist. This particular guy now, below you both gist. What's his name again? Bob Heslip. Say for plenty years, from when in the young to about when he don't reach 50 years old like this. In they see big boil for him body. They call him bump. Now you both they call them big one for your body. And they always make them very, very shy. You know, if you come outside, you know, if you involve with people, you know, if you relate with anybody, you don't even marry, born 2 children, and the children they carry this same thing. Even before that time, people they always run away from the guy, and I picture be that if they see him come close, people go they run come out from where in there. So every time this they always make them they depressed, it always make them they cry for inside corner, it they make them know they fit come out, they relate to people. And they say for the country where in know they fit, they wear big cloth to cover the whole thing. Where people go down to say, oh yeah, Kuku they wear big cloth to cover yourself now. He say for Arizona, where in they stay, so heat plenty, it be like Lagos for sun. So if you wear big cloth now, you go cook yourself be that too. But last, him and his children, they watch one TV show they call the Freak Show. For that Freak Show, different people with different kind of things for body, they always come that show. Now show for this kind of things. If you get one kind of defect, one woman will get baby come that show. They also get people that will be the smallest people they will marry for America for there. Different kind of things, you know, they call them the Freak Show. Now the man could go there. As he reach the 9 door blend, as just climb stage, come out shirt, poor. People holler, oh boy, see boil for body, oh. You know, now the kind of show for this kind of people, he saying can't feel among. Say now, they're very, very proud of himself and they're very, very all right because they don't create platform for people like them. We not to get that normal kind of body, you know. So if you're outside there, you get scabies for body, you get scales for body. You outside there, you be woman, but you get man muscle. Different things. You understand? If you get 4 eye, you know, you get like 2 nose, you get plenty like 4 hand, you understand? You get like 3 things for front instead of 2. Different things. You understand? If you go for this show, you will feel among. No need for plastic surgery anymore. You get platform where you go showcase your talent. You understand me now? Now for the Obo place for that side, you know. But are they very happy because as it be like this now, not be everybody to come out on a normal P. It just be like that picking now where they don't see their born and want to carry teeth come out. So this one grow now with that kind of teeth. If I go for that Freak Show. For our country here, Nigeria self, more on the platform for people that were not today okay. Like Mayowa, for example, now, he get where she could feel walk past like this. She will perform excellently. You understand? Today, this morning now, she did a very, very cool level because they give her medicine before she start this show. So she had day all right this morning. So platform is very important for everybody. Nothing they bite you, only you they scratch yourself. You see, now they always talk with that. The medicine not they work well. Now me the scratching. No be chloroquine. Just the, you know, but for this guy, Bob Hesley, congratulations to you and your family. Even in children, they get the same thing. All of them, they go for that Freak Show. Mayowa, go for your Freak Show for you to be a happy somebody. All right, now, I like the way you just quiet like this. You should say you, they transform internally. When they come back there after this particular break, any of now we get anything to talk concerning these 2 informates, we don't give them. No. Just go for our Twitter handle. We'll be Wazobia PADI at Wazobia PADI at Wazobia PADI at Wazobia PADI. We they come back. Not mind this one. In face be like spoiled beans. We they come.
Una welcome back to PADI this morning. So on top of this one, we still go give una yarn. And the next story we'll go give una and the one we be say I go read for now. I'm never too sure whether I never read the story, but I go just
and they reduce the volume. Okay, increase small. You dey pause speed for here now. See how you dey spoil this whole thing.
Chop the battery, rubbish. Huh? You chop the battery, put am back, maybe go work.
No, I don't do that one. No. I don't supposed to be the wait. Why do they knock me every time? Wait.
You don't get sense now. You don't get sense.
Wait.
You don't. Oh yeah, beat me like this now. Beat me.
All these women.
You don't get sense.
You. I go.
Try am.
And they show you, so you will see yourself. You read your story. They throw it. Hey, after this show, you see yourself behind camera.
Pick it.
No worry now.
Pick it, make your head disappear for sure.
Monday, how you just start your day, and so your week will take be. You understand? This week, that's why you go to follow man. They worry. By Friday, they go beat you for public. They look like. Read your story. They do it there.
Nah, lie. Pick am.
Your first son.
Pick am.
Your first son.
Make your head come up for short.
No, no come up for short. No come up for short.
See you.
You won't like me again? Read your story. Now you won't go read. Oh yeah, read now. They wait for us, Joe.
We'll see which one you
did. He did knock me.
We'll see the one where you read today. This have your mates.
Okay now. They do it anyhow. You say because you be woman, I don't go fist. No worry.
So this next story, when I want give you, Jare, I'm robber. More leave this thing for wide. More leave it for wide. Ogbonge must not pick that paper. Okay.
I don't pick on me.
Okay.
Shame to bad people.
No problem.
Shame to bad people. God time is the best.
No problem.
Die now, baby.
No problem. I'm robbers now. I will slap you.
Face your work. Who should face your work? Nonsense you. Read your story, Jare.
I'm robbers now. They don't send written notice. Go give some people for their house. They send letter to them. Now I go read the letter come out for you. They send them go give some people for inside Rumapu GRA. That one Rukpokpo Port Harcourt for inside Port Harcourt. I don't know whether I call them back. Whether I call them well. Rukpoku for inside Port Harcourt for Rumapu GRA. I don't know whether I call them well, but make I read the letter for you. Save your life. Listen to the English. We want to let you know that from next week there's a visitor for you. And the reason of our coming is that we need 10 million naira from you. It's good for you to arrange the money, which is 10 million, before we show. Now, so the right time before we show. Failure to obey shall lead to death. That is for you. Just so that as we write in the script. Also, this one is for public notice. That we want you people to let your security men to know. Security men to know. May they pack and run away. Now, may they na MAYTHERE. May they pack and run away before we land GRA Rumwa. If any security man didn't value his life because of rich man like you, if you die, that one is for you.
It's for your own.
Our coming is undated.
Hey! Abagaya. Security.
If you die, that one is for you.
It's for now me say security man waiting for that place. You not gonna go die for rich man, no. Now the other way you talk. But that first moment of time, we want, not be we want to. We want WHAT. We want to let you know that from next week there's a visitor for you.
There's a visitor for you.
There's a visitor. This too. This now they do this thing they come since so. Since I feel say we need more better fit security men than we go they guide streets. You don't observe, say, most times, for most of these streets and places, security men, then are old papa them.
Yes, very old men.
Very old men.
And you wonder, how come? Old men,
They say, hey, now welcome. My former street, you get what they call Aso Rock. That guy is like 70-something. Oh, soldier like this, but you could do say giddy when he just see gone. You understand? But any which way, but the young ones, sometimes they fear them because, they feel they leak informate, give these bad guys. But the old ones themselves, how they want to do security where?
Some of those old men, they get jazz.
Their eye
they clear, they shine eye.
Not be clear eye.
Hey!
Not be clear eye.
Some of those men, if you just walk out, they say, come here. What you hold in your car? We know, we have seen. Their mother have told us. Who are the mother? We don't know.
It's not spiritual mother now.
We don't
know. So, but I feel say every street supposed just get good security system. Don't be say you go to gather some kind boys, they do some kind thing. If I not drop an, I not send.
Oh yeah.
I not send. You understand?
Oh yeah.
But anyway, make we just move on the G's. For Port Harcourt for Rumuapu. Abi? For that side. I beg go. Make una say now tackle this thing. Involve police, involve soldier, involve navy. and everything when I feel involved. Security must be at a large other area.
Don't do.
Because their coming is undated.
No, they expatiate
Now,
my story.
for my own story for that side, you know, this particular girl that they call Ivie, an actress that year from the, you know, that Amsterdam Motor Box Office teams that year. You know, she are doing her wedding for this past weekend. We just come out, you know, and a very, very beautiful wedding. But she come for her wedding gown in a very, very beautiful manner. But she can't do one thing way different from every other kind of wedding which she don't ever attend or anybody don't ever attend. She know wear koi shoe. You know, wear 70 inches. The girl wear sneakers on top her traditional clothes and even on top her white gown.
Correct.
For her own wedding. She say, I go wear sneakers and no go wear koi shoe. I go wear sneakers and no go wear bemiga. Abi?
Yes.
So see how on our wedding day, she said no, I will going to rock the whole thing.
Yes.
In a, you know, so I can dance and play with my friends because they say plenty dance, plenty rejoicing, plenty celebrate, and everything happen for the wedding on that day. So the question now,
see the sneakers now.
See the sneakers when you go for leg, you know, she very, very making sense, babe. I like the way she just did the very, very casual because now, you know, she different from everything way any other person don't do before. Now.
And a very sweet person if you meet her personally.
I don't know whether me I go agree if my girl would like to wear his sneakers on her wedding. I feel I go feel agree. Because me, I'm a crazy kind of somebody.
But you know that's something what I do.
I know say you feel that, but me and you know what I'm married. No, they.
You know that's something what
I know ask you question.
So,
not they
future husband, if I decide say, I want to wear sneakers, leave me. Leave me.
You don't know say you not wear. If you as you do like this now, you feel even wear ordinary shimmy on your wedding. Anything is possible when they come to you because you are not alright. You won't slap me. Continue. It will show in your future. No worry. It will show in your future. They will do it to you. For old age, they will do it to you. Okay. So if you were there for them, you feel like your baby wanting to wear sneakers for wedding. Be you a big girl waiting for them when they watch like this. You feel allow yourself to wear sneakers for your wedding. Go for Twitter for at Wazobia PADI at Wazobia PADI. Go there, give us your gist, and then from there we go do all right. No man this girl.
Well now.
Now the odor from your mouth, odor from your mouth is confusing me. See, that's why I'm saying today is Wednesday. Sorry, today is Monday because mouth odor can make your brain malfunction.
You will be saying my mouth they come out designer.
When we go for laugh. Designer.
You talk to me now, you pick paper for grand.
Pick Trump.
Oh man, that was really funny. Okay, we don't end the show now, Abi.
Yes, we don't end the show.
Thank you very much for watching with us.
We'll leave it like that.
Thank you.
We love all of you. Go see you now tomorrow. Okay, hope you enjoy everything on top of the show. PADI. And of course, Mona Jam us for Facebook. Go like our fan page for Facebook. PADI Show. PADI Show for Facebook. You laugh because you know what you never do. But just go there, like us, and invite your friends to like us too, and we'll be very happy. But any other information you need, and different things where you want to tell us on top of the show, go for our Twitter handle, will be at Wazobia PADI. Reach there, give us gist, and we go follow you, relate on top every. All right, so we love all of you. Get better day. Your day must catch out, your week must catch out. We love you from here. Mayowa Ogbolo, we are signing out.